Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling the built-in on-screen keyboard so it's reliable and available. Open Settings with Windows + I, then navigate to Accessibility and choose Keyboard. Toggle the on-screen keyboard on. Once done, make sure to show the keyboard icon on the taskbar by right-clicking the taskbar and enabling the Touch Keyboard button so you can open it quickly. This ensures immediate access and prevents using third-party tools. You'll use the native keyboard for consistent behavior and accessibility compatibility. Now you use and configure the layout to match your workflow. Open the keyboard from the taskbar button or the accessibility toggle, then click the settings or gear icon on the keyboard to change the layout or enable a handwriting panel. Once done, switch between full, split, or floating modes to type comfortably on any screen size and enable text suggestions and quick punctuation for faster input. Make sure to test typing in Notepad to confirm the layout, because layout changes apply immediately across apps. Finish by mastering advanced use and a single troubleshooting step to fix common problems. You can type with touch, a mouse, or a pen and switch input languages from the language icon. Use the floating mode for drag-and-drop repositioning. If the keyboard stops responding, reset it from accessibility settings or toggle the on-screen keyboard off and on. If that fails, make sure Windows is updated and restart the PC. This resolves driver or service conflicts, so the native keyboard returns to normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.